the big system.
Oh, to get in a loud system, okay.
Yeah, I used to only run 212s, and it's like, you know what, I want to be like him, so.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Ready for the day, but
It's all good, man.
1000s. I ain't got no 200 by 2 hooked up. 4 Pheonix Gold SX 12, go forward, wide, 1
Is this a sealed box? Ported? Can I see the back?
For sure.
Nice.
I had to lay my seats down to get more airflow.
It's all right. And are they at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay.
Reached at the amp, so.
On an 8-inch.
Yes.
All right. Who built it? The box?
I bought it like this.
You did? Okay.
I did. It's birch. It's triple baffle.
Looks good.
It's overkill.
Yeah.
You got 2 ZV5 18s coming forward.
Okay. Any battery alternator?
Big 3's been done. I've got 0 gauge OFC all the way to distribution block 4 gauge OFC.
Okay.
Thought I had a background, but it was on some RCA's.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know Brian Allsbrooks, but he hooked me up with some stuff for the day.
Okay.
Get me bumping a little bit better.
All right.
Seen you at a car show in Savannah about a year and a half, 2 years back.
Yes, sir.
You actually got me into the big system.
Oh, to get in a loud system, okay.
Yeah, I used to only run 212s, and it's like, you know what, I want to be like him, so I went and got
Really?
212s.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Nice to meet you again.
Yes, sir.
Highs are horrible, so
It's okay.
don't expect you.
Yeah, like cool off.
But these amps,
Awesome, man. Thank you. Nice to meet
no
you.
problem,
What's
man.
your name again?
Dale.
Dale. Okay.
Seen you at a car show in Savannah about a year and a half, 2 years back.
Yes, sir.
You actually got me into the big system.
Oh, to get in a loud system. Okay.
Yeah, I used to only run 212s, and it's like, you know what? I want to be like him, so I want to get.
Really? Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Nice to meet you again.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.